gonna make some chicken pot pies today. To my crock pot that I have on 4 hours on high, I have 4 thin cut chicken breasts. I put in half a bag of this frozen mixed vegetables from Walmart. So I guess something else in there, LP. And then I put about a third of the bag of the onion blend. It's got the bell peppers, the onion, and the bell peppers. So you're going to add that to your crock pot. For seasonings, we're going to use a little bit of McCormick Montreal chicken. Body of complete seasoning. Trader Joe's, everything but the leftovers. This is great on all poultry. Some of that. And then let's go in with this Kinder's caramelized onion butter. Not too much of that, just about that much. We're going to add cream of mushroom. Don't know why that's coming off. Cream of mushroom. 1 cream of mushroom, 1 cream of chicken. I would do cream of chicken and chicken broth, but this is what I have in the pantry, so this is what we're going to use. And then I have a little bit of beef broth. Use chicken if you got it. I need to use this up, so a little bit of this is going to go in there. That much. Okay, let's add a tablespoon of butter to that, and then just a little bit of milk. 4 hours, we'll be back. I forgot to mention, stir everything up and then let it sit. Check on it periodically, like at least once or twice during this 4-hour period. Okay, so this is halfway through. As you can see, it's coming together. So I'm gonna let this cook a little bit longer, and then I'll cut that chicken up. All right, so actually this is almost 4 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and stop it here and then take a piece of chicken out one at a time, and then I'm just gonna cut everything up and place it back in there. So you can just dice this as small as you want it. Now this is just a regular can of Grand's biscuits. I just stretched half of them, well 5 of them, and left 3 regular. This is it all done. Bake according to package directions, and then you can just put a little bit of butter and some dried parsley or fresh parsley on top.